Can you describe a little bit about the experience of onboarding and installing the little pucks, as some people call them?
Yeah, look, from that point of view, honestly, I really couldn't have been easier. Once we decided on location for our Wi-Fi hub, from that point, I think myself and my production manager spent maybe 2 or 3 hours one afternoon just going around together, I guess onboarding each of the pucks, and we have 10 in total around the plant. And I would say it was literally a process from sort of 1 p.m. till 3 p.m. and we were fully set up and operational live on the website, on the app, and really that was it. It was extremely simple to set up.